go on the bike and then get you guys. So okay, I want the entire group to stay together. Like 7 लोग भले ही अलग-अलग चल रहे हैं, but then से like white line you have to stick on the left side because हम लोग first और 1-2 दिन पे हम लोग वो main road से ही जाएंगे. Main road से आके फिर रास्ता.
Say something about your cycle.
Oh, I think it's going to be a joyride. Friends from different places. A lot of guys from Mumbai. Meet my friend Madhu, who's a rock star from Bangalore. Nitin, your local guide, rock star. Everybody is going to rock it. Beautiful weather, clear skies. Let's cycle. Bye, buddies.
Yo.
First day, Ritesh. Let's rock and roll.
Yes, buddy.
Trial dry run. Let's do that.
Perfect, great. Sure, that's it for the day. So today is the first day of our cycling trip. Let us see how do we feel today.
Dude, yeah, it's a good first day. How you like, gearing up.
The first halt.
Right, let's go, rock and roll. Let's rock.
So going back today, that's it for today's cycling, and we're going downhill now, and let's see. That's my cycle for the whole Nainital trip. A very plain, simple cycle. Yeah. It's a complete downhill. Very, very careful. Beautiful roads, amazing view. You will just love it. Downhill was, I think, easier, huh?
It was easier actually. But I was getting very scared earlier. And the downhill अच्छा था. Enjoyable.
Enjoyable and short route. No, it's good. हम अभी अपने कालाडूंगी बेस कैंप की तरफ जा रहे हैं और आइए क्रॉस करते हैं। ये हमारे बेस कैंप की तरफ जा रहे हैं और
वाह, क्या बात है,
एकदम झकास है भाई, बोले तो ना एकदम बढ़िया फ्रेश एकदम।
ठीक है, मैं भी लेता हूँ।
बहुत गुड।
भाई और एक समोसा दे दो। हाँ, एक
दे दो, 2 दे दे, 2 दे दे, 3 दे दे।